Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Conversation View in Outlook Online. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails so everything is ready to go. Now that your inbox is fully loaded, look toward the top of your screen where all your main tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs lined up horizontally. From these options, click on the View tab. This is where you'll find all the display and layout settings that control how your emails appear in Outlook. Once the View menu opens, there's one important adjustment we need to make before moving forward. This step makes the process much easier. Look over to the far right side of your ribbon area. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow near the edge. Click on that drop-down and you'll see two different ribbon layout options appear. From here, select Simplified Ribbon. This streamlines the interface and gives you clearer access to the settings you need without cluttering the screen with extra options. After switching to the simplified ribbon, you'll notice the layout looks cleaner and more organized. Now, look for a button labeled Current View. It's represented by a gear icon, which makes it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that button. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several viewing options that control how your emails are grouped and displayed. In this drop-down menu, scan through the list until you find an option called Show as Conversation. This is the setting that groups related emails together under a single thread, which some people find helpful but others prefer to turn off for a more traditional inbox layout. If you see a check mark next to Show as Conversation, that means the feature is currently turned on. Simply click on it once to remove the check mark and turn off Conversation View, and that's it. Your Outlook inbox will now display emails individually instead of grouping them into conversations, giving you a more straightforward view of everything in your mailbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.